this is Jade from Sweet Softies, and today I'm excited to share with you this really cool new product I got. This is some organic Konjac Exfoliating Sponges, and it's used for cleaning your face or just kind of like as a facial scrubby. And I know I've posted some patterns for facial scrubbies recently, so I've been really getting into this whole like skincare routine now that I started using the scrubbies, and I'm really excited to try this one out. So I'll be showing you kind of what's in the package today, and give you my opinions on how it is after I use it. Okay, so let's open this up. Alright, so just open the package, and I'm looking inside, and this is what the sponges look like. It is so cute. It looks like a little like a mochi and or a mochi, and it has a little string on it for easy holding as you use it. And the first things first, we've got to soak this little sponge. It's pretty rigid right now. I don't know if you could hear it, but it's like a pebble, a rock almost. So pretty rigid. I'm going to soak it in water. It says warm water for about 3 to 5 minutes. So I'll go ahead and do that, and we'll meet back when it's ready. Alright, so I just soaked my little sponge here, and as you can see, it went from being really hard to super squishy and soft. And it's so cute. It really reminds me of a little bun or a mochi, or like a steam bun, I guess. And it's so squishy. I love it. I think I would keep it just to squish it. But anyhow, so you got this wet, and now you're ready to actually use it on your face. So I'm gonna quickly clip up my hair here so it's not in the way. You're gonna want to do this with like a cleanser if you regularly use a cleanser. I don't use anything except water, so I'm just gonna demonstrate with water. Alright, so here is my sponge, and I've got my fingers looped around to make it extra easy to hold on to. What I'm gonna do is just squeeze out the last bit of excess water. And I think all we need to do is gently massage it to the face in a circular motion. Alright, so let's try it out. Oh, wow. Okay, I know you cannot feel this right now, but I am just rubbing it along my skin, and it feels so smooth and soft. And it kind of glides. Oh my gosh, that feels really good. So you can use it on your cheeks, on your forehead, wherever you need to give it a clean. And the package says that you can use a cleanser with this, but just use half the amount you normally do. So just one more thing, this sponge is made of the fiber of the root of konjac plants, and it's naturally rich in amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. And I love that it's an organic product too. So with the way that it is, it has bamboo charcoal in it. It contains an activated carbon to kind of clean and absorb any excess stuff on your face. So this, I think, will really help preventing any blemishes and breakouts on the skin. And I'm so happy about this product, and I can't wait to use some more of these cute little sponges. So thank you for tuning in and watching today, and if you have any questions, comments, or want a link to this cool product, I'll put that in the description box below.